Okay, today's video is a little bit different. I want to talk to you guys about Quest hand tracking specifically. So during this whole video, I'm just going to be using hand tracking, no controller, because I have some thoughts about hand tracking, okay, on the Quest. Hand tracking is Hand tracking has gotten both better and worse at the same time, in my opinion. I mean, our ability to hand track each individual finger. Sorry, I didn't mean to do that. Each individual finger is pretty cool, very cool. In fact, I mean, our thumbs might and nails still look a bit warped and whatnot, but being able to track them is very cool, I might add. But the thing is that I don't know sometimes. Like, okay, so here, for example, so we can get this. This follows me around there. And then I have to very carefully tap that without actually moving it around places. Actually, I need to install this for a future video on my other channel, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Now, I will admit, I do like the fact that they moved this down here, but I don't know, certain things just seem a little bit harder. Like, they're just moving around. And I don't have the worst lighting area ever. I don't think, anyway. But, yeah, some of it just is interesting, okay? Now, that being said, I do actually enjoy certain aspects of the hand tracking. Like, for example, being able to, whoops, I guess I can't do that. Oh yeah, I need a window to actually do that. But being, okay, in what? See what I mean? It's actually mistaking what I'm picking up or whatnot. Okay, so I did put that there, which, see, this is what I mean. This is probably the biggest downside, I feel like. That's my library. Now I can actually move this around, so that's cool. And it does seem to support two, fingers or whatnot, so that is cool. In theory, no, we haven't got to a point where I can do both at the same time quite yet. Don't think. No, we haven't. Okay, so yeah, there is good stuff. I don't even know what that game is, man. There's so many games here. I think, okay, see, what I think is, I think a lot of these games down here are like MetaQuest Plus subscription games that they're advertising. Okay, so I should be able to just press that, right? Okay. And then I should be able to put it back here and everything be fine. And then it should be able to, but yeah, see, I shouldn't have to press it super slow. I should be able to quickly press it instead of worried about actually messing up something. Okay, but I do like being able to drag the windows. I will be honest. That's one of my favorite features, and it will probably always be one of my favorite features. Okay, let's look at all apps, and we would see a good list there, I guess. Let's hit search. And in theory, we should be able to type I C E E E space C E A M. Ice cream. We don't have an app called ice cream. I just wanted to type in ice cream. We can actually go to R E G. Enter. Okay, so we do actually have an app with the name RPG in it. So it does work, okay? Hand tracking does work. Don't get me wrong, and I think it has gotten better. I just don't know if it's at 100% yet. But with that said, let me know. I'd be interested to know, is hand tracking something you guys want? Now, right now, it is February 2025, okay? So, in December of 2025, hand tracking could be quite a bit different. But do you guys care about hand tracking a lot? That is my question, because I know a lot of people have gotten used to the idea of using a controller in. That's funny. I put my hand together like this, so it just took away my hand or whatnot. But yeah, anyway, I know a lot of people have gotten used to the idea of the whole hand tracking, using your controller. Just like if you were to play an Xbox or PlayStation, you'd use a controller, you wouldn't ask for hand tracking, except for with the Xbox Connect or the PlayStation Move. The PlayStation Move became the PlayStation VR. The Connect got discontinued. The only time you really see it these days is when you go watch old episodes of TV shows, mostly Nickelodeon shows, but there's other networks, which makes me think that Microsoft Xbox might have had some kind of contract with Nickelodeon. I don't know. That's the conspiracy in me talking, but that's not what that's not what we're here for. Let me know your thoughts on this comment section below, okay? Because I will admit, hand tracking has gotten better, but in some ways it's gotten, I don't want to say worse, but not better. So yeah, let me know your thoughts, comment section below. And I am on V72 part 2 at the moment. I say part 2 because if you've watched my last video, you'll know that it had an update to a different version of V72. So yeah, don't know what that's about, but I am eager to find out in the future, I suppose. And with that said, I will catch you guys in said future. Later.